natin si VP Sara na pumunta po sa NBI. Pero based on the communications, parang sinasabi po ng abogado na hindi po darating. Have you had any recent conversations with the Vice President?
Wala naman. It's her option, no? To go there or kung ayaw niya, then siya na bahala dyan. But still, the NBI can go to her office instead to conduct the investigation, di ba? So, pwede naman puntahan ng NBI. Hindi naman sila pinipigilan pumunta sa Office of the Vice President to conduct the investigation. And she's willing to face naman the investigation. In fact, napagdala nga siguro siya ng lawyer doon, di ba?
So, do you have any idea kung ano po yung ganapin? Kasi nabanggit niya naman po yung nakaraang interview sa media na pre-schedule niya today, kaya a-attend siya sana ng Congress hearing and cancel naman po si Congress hearing. Bakit kaya hindi nagpakita si VP sa NBI today, sir? I
don't know. You better ask her, no? You better ask her. Hindi naman niya sinabi na hindi siya magpa-imbestiga. Kung hindi siya nakarating doon, then the NBI can go to her office to conduct the investigation. Di ba? Wala naman siyang, as I've said, he is not placing herself above the law. She's open. She's open for investigation. Then all NBI has to do is to go to her office. Mag-conduct ng investigation. Wala namang problema doon.